Welcome to the R8 Spyder with 600 horsepower. This is a V10 engine with over 600 horsepower, and this is a naturally aspirated V10, which is very, very unusual. As car companies get more concerned about the environment and regulations related to what is allowed and what isn't, cars are becoming turbocharged, and they're losing the naturally aspirated sound. Well, not with this car. This is a full-on V10 car designed to give you that full experience. And obviously the thing with this car, and you know, it's quite obvious here, is for everyone that sits in this car, is as you sit in here, you're well aware that you are in a car that is, well, quite frankly, very, very special. A car which really, in all honesty, is a dying breed, a bit like the dinosaurs. And just like the dinosaurs, as good as Jurassic Park is, I'd rather they were alive than we're watching it on the big screen. Of course, you're watching this on the small screen, unless you're watching it on your TV, and this is Tech in the Car. And this is the R8 Spyder. Now, the first thing I would say about this is we feel low down to the ground, you feel very sporty. Obviously it's a Spyder. Today it's 30 degrees. Today is an incredibly hot day in the UK, and it's really nice to have a car without a roof. That feels amazing to know that, hey, I don't have a roof and I can enjoy a drive like this. And it is a lot of fun to drive a car like this. A fast, powerful car. I've got a video on the interior technology of the R8 on my channel, so check it out if you want to know about the technology in here. What I would say about this car is it's carbon fiber everywhere. We've only got one display, the virtual cockpit, which also can run Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And inside is very sparse, it's very focused for what you want it for, which is a fast, powerful, sporty car, which makes a noise like that. And that is a lot of fun. That noise is amazing. Now, I've got a bit of that noise from my RS3, but not the full whammy, not the full effect of that amazing V10 engine. And this car is about fun ultimately. You know, it's not practical. You're not going to fit much in here. You got 2 seats. If you don't have anybody in the car, you can put your stuff in the passenger seat. But it's not about that. It's about that amazing noise and the experience. That is what this car is about. The R8 is, of course, an all-wheel drive quattro Audi, which means that you can pull that power down and feel really safe, knowing that you're not going to get kicked out from behind. And that is a great sense of comfort to know, because as cars get more and more powerful, putting that power down becomes more difficult and becomes something which you need to have a lot of driving skill to use. So what do I think of the R8 Spyder? Amazing to hear that naturally aspirated V10 engine. Amazing to hear the noises it makes. This car is a really exciting car.